Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to slide a Chrysler 300. Before attempting any maneuvers, ensure you are in a safe, controlled environment, like a closed course. It's crucial to understand your car's handling characteristics and limits. We'll start with basic techniques to help you get a feel for the vehicle's response. Remember, safety is always the top priority when practicing these skills. To initiate a controlled slide, begin by turning the steering wheel gently into your desired corner. As you turn, apply a small, consistent amount of throttle to transfer weight to the rear wheels. This action helps break traction. Once the rear starts to slide, quickly counter-steer in the opposite direction to catch the slide and maintain control. Practice these steps until they feel natural. Maintaining a smooth slide involves a delicate balance of throttle and steering. Use the accelerator to control the angle and speed of the slide. More throttle increases the angle, less reduces it. Your steering inputs should be small and precise, guiding the car through the turn. Always look ahead to where you want the car to go, anticipating its movement rather than reacting to it. This helps with overall control. For more advanced sliding, experiment with weight transfer techniques like a slight lift-off throttle before turning to help initiate the slide more easily. Adjusting your tire pressures can also fine-tune the car's behavior, offering more or less grip as needed. Remember, consistent practice is key to mastering these skills. Also, for those looking to enhance their home, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.